Hi my divas, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sheetal. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will be showing you how I created this simple yet elegant and classy glam purple smoky eye look. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Great makeup starts with great skin. So I am using a moisturizer from the Dermadoc and going to give my face and neck a good massage. This is an amazing moisturizer and my face will be ready for the next step. To moisturize around the eyes, I am going to be using the Dermadoc Moisturizing Under Eye Serum. It's important to always start with an eye serum or cream around your eyes, especially if you are going to be using concealer anywhere around your eyes. This will prevent it from caking it up. One of the most important steps to keep your makeup intact is to use a primer. So I am going to be using the Insight 3-in-1 oil-free primer on my face and neck, pretty much in areas where I will be applying the foundation. For foundation, I am going to be using the Kiko Milano 2-in-1 full coverage in the shade WB60, and I am going to be blending it with a foundation brush. You can also use a damp beauty sponge if you want. This foundation gives full coverage, and although it gives full coverage, it makes your skin look like skin, which is the best thing about this foundation. Right now my face might be looking like a plain canvas, but I will add some dimension to my face. Further, to conceal my dark circles, I am going to use Kiko Milano's concealer in the shade 07. This shade is an exact match of my skin tone. And you can see it has beautifully covered my dark circles. And once I have blended that out, and once I feel like everything is covered pretty well, I am going to use a lighter color concealer from Maybelline in the shade 15 Fair to highlight the high points of my face. This shade is not too light, but it's lighter than the concealer that I previously used. And the reason you highlight the high points of your face is to bring the best features forward. The most important step to make your makeup long lasting is to set and seal it. Let's go ahead and set it with a powder first. I am going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Loose Setting and Perfection Powder by Face Studio. Next, I am going to use this Sugar Compact Powder in the shade 15 Cappuccino on the rest of my face and neck to set and give you that flawless coverage and keep your makeup sealed. Next, let's start with adding some depth or contouring, and for that I am going to be using this contour stick from Insight, which is a 2-in-1 stick which has a highlighter at one end and a contour stick at the other end. I am going to be using in areas where I want to be contour before I blend it out, and I am blending this out with a contour brush. This stick dries out quickly, so if you are using this same stick, you have to be quick in blending this. Moving on to my brows, I am going to be using Sugar Brow Definer Pencil in the shade 01 Jerry Brown. Here I am just filling in the sparse areas and shaping it with a spoolie brush making sure that no extra product settles in my brows. Moving on to my eyes, this eyeshadow palette that I am using is a drugstore palette and it has 35 shades including mattes and shimmers. Taking this first shade from this palette and applying it all over my eyes to set the concealer and as a base for the eyeshadows that will be coming up next. Next, taking this peach color with a blending brush and applying it over my crease. This will be my transition shade. Next, taking this lighter brown shade to further deepen my crease with a smaller bending brush and applying it all over my crease, making sure that it blends with the first shade that I applied previously. Next, taking a little darker shade to further deepen the crease and also on the outer corner of my crease. And with the help of a large blending brush, making sure that all the three shadows blends into each other smoothly, leaving no harsh lines. Next, I am using this iconic Kajal eye pencil on my eyelids. You don't have to be precise over here because we are anyway going to further blend this kajal all over our eyelid with a flat shader brush. The reason I am using this kajal on my eyelids just so that it will be a nice rich base for my purple shadow which is coming up next. Next, I am going to take this purple eyeshadow from this eyeshadow palette and applying it all over the kajal or the eyelid with a flat shader brush. Doing the same thing on the other eye as well. Taking that same two eyeshadows which I applied on my crease with a smaller blending brush and making sure that there are no harsh lines on my crease after I applied the purple eyeshadow. Doing the same thing on my lower lash line as well with the help of a pencil brush. Now taking this blue eyeshadow with the help of a flat shader brush and just dabbing it on my lower lash line just to make my eyes pop out. Using Lakme Iconic Kajal on my waterline. Today I will be skipping eyeliner. I am taking this black eyeshadow with the help of an angled brush and applying it on my lash line, very closer to my lash line, and giving a small wing. Next, I did curl my lashes and used Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Easy Wash Mascara. But while I was applying the mascara, I didn't realize that my camera was switched off and I missed that footage. Now taking the highlighter stick and with the help of a small pencil brush or a flat pencil brush or a painting brush, applying it in the inner corner of my eyes and on my brow bones, on my bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow and on the sides of my forehead, and on my high points of my cheeks, and with the help of a finger spreading it evenly. Next, for my blush, I am using this Swiss Beauty Pro Blush and Highlight palette and using this peach color as a blush with the help of a blush brush and applying it on the apples of my cheeks. For lipstick, I decided to go for nude lip, so using this Bella Voste Ulti Matte Chubby Stick in the shade Rose Crush, which is 01. I wanted all my attention on my eyes, so decided to go for a nude lip. Next, I did my hair, pulled all my hairs back and just tied into a pony, and to melt down all the powders that we put on my face, using this Insight makeup fixer and just taking a quick little shower. And here's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to like and share this video. And I will see you soon in my next video, guys. Bye guys, and take care.